Hi, this is Benjamin with DealerSpike, your website company. Today's video will be a short video on if you're having troubles logging into the Spark editor. First of all, the address that you're going to use is dealerspike-cms.com. That is CMS as in cat, Michael, Sam.com. Once you get there, you'll see a very similar login page to what you see here in the middle. Your username will always be your business email, and your password would have been assigned to you by your implementation specialist. If you have it, great, go ahead and try to enter it. If you either get an error or you simply don't know what it is and you need to get in, you can use the forgot password function and reset your password, and it's a very similar process to where if you got locked out of your regular email, if you still can't get in or the password reset does not work, you can get a hold of our technical product support team and they'll be more than happy to help. When you get a hold of our technical product support team, you have your first and last name and the name of your business. Give that to them first before you state your issue, and that'll just help our tech support team to identify your account and help you get the problem fixed a little bit faster. That's all I've got for you today. Until I talk to all of you again, thank you very much for your very valuable time. Bye-bye.